are Creative Strategies for Change, a grassroots nonprofit based here in Denver, Colorado.
Our mission is to mobilize arts and education for social justice. And we present to you
The Community Cipher.
Community, a group of people that live in the same area, a group of people that have shared identities and interests.
People gathering together to exchange ideas through artistic expression or dialogue.
Through West African drumming, theater, hip-hop, spoken word, and multimedia, we will share real stories of how the school-to-prison pipeline has affected us and our communities.
The U.S. has the highest incarceration rates in the world, and the majority of the people in the prison system are people of color.
And in Denver in 2014, students of color were 219% more likely to be suspended, expelled, or referred to law enforcement than their white peers. Our goal is to increase awareness among our peers, teachers, administrators, and families about the school-to-prison pipeline.
So, we will take our interactive performance to the community for a cipher, ultimately inspiring change.